Good morning, students. So our revisions classes are going on. So last class we have discussed about chapter 1. Now today we are going to discuss about chapter 2. Chapter 2 is about Granny's little laptop. I remember that we have discussed a lot about Granny's behavior, that how she is using that modern technology. That is only the reason here the title is Granny's little laptop. Okay. Our knowledge based on the modern technology is far better than grannies and all. We are thinking like that, is it? But after reading this poem, we come to know that Granny is modernized, is it? She know how to use the modern technology properly. She is having a laptop, and how gently she is using laptop, and how many works she is doing with the laptop, that also we list down, is it? One question I said to list down over that. Now let us see again para-wise that how Granny is using her little laptop. Clear? In the first para we come to know that Granny has a laptop. According to her, it is very smooth and glossy look, and see, whenever she is gazing at that laptop, she is gazing very fondly, is it? Passionately, and sometimes wonders that what to do with this modern technology. So first stanza is very clear that she is telling that the laptop she is using very shiny and glossy, and she is gazing at that laptop very fondly, and sometimes wonder that what she can do with this modern technology. Secondly, she keeps it gently on her lap. She really thinks it's nice. Then she is keeping that laptop on her lap and thinking that it's really very nice. And she doesn't like the mouse at all because she is having some afraidness or fear about the mice. Is it? So she is scared of that mice and all. So she is thinking that maybe there is a similarity between the real mouse and the mouse of a laptop. Is it? So she is having some scare of that. As we know, Granny is Granny only. So second stanza also very clear. Third stanza, she said that after having that laptop on her lap, she soon started blogging. Blogging we have discussed about that blogging is writing, way to write about event, situation or topic. Okay. Someone is having her own blogs, and on that blogs she can write about any topic, any incident, anything very important. Okay, and socialize. So as soon as Granny got her laptop, she has started blogging and take the world by storm. And world by storm means connected with the world very strongly, very positively. Okay. And with precise post on ecology. Precise means very brief. And why our globe is warm. So ecology, we know that it's study about environment and all. And she mainly writing blog. Her blog is mainly consisted of the ecology, the modern system of ecosystem, the study of ecosystem. And the main topic of that is that how global warming is going on. Means how the world is getting warm. That is only her topic. So third stanza, she starts her blogging, and the important thing is that her blogging, she is using important notes on global warming, the study of ecosystem, that is ecology. Okay. Fourth stanza, she'll be in touch on email. She is using another process of writing, sending messages and all, and communicative method, that is email. And with family friends on the net, she is connected with the family and friends with email. And keep us all enthralled with her global tete-a-tete. Tete-a-tete, as I have discussed already, that is an interesting app, communicative app, that at a time you can talk with two people. Okay, so this is a conversation between two people. It is very important to understand what is tete-a-tete. It can come with a short note. What is tete-a-tete? It's a conversing app. At a time, two people can conversing with each other. Okay, that is tete-a-tete. And enthralled means it's very interesting. Okay, it's very exciting and interested that Granny is communicating with family and friends via email. That is only in the fourth stanza. Fifth stanza, she'll engage in quackery for a forums. Quickery forums, these are also connecting system and have a million fans. And there, that forum, she is having millions of fans. Why? Because she is asking for her new recipes. All are asking for us new recipes about the cooking system and all. And fish curries and flans. Flans is a kind of pie and cake. It is filled with cheese and fruits. Is it? We have discussed. So, she is famous in Quickery forum. Why? Because of her recipes, specially related with fish curries and flans, means the pie and cakes. Okay, so she is very famous in the email. Why? Because she is connecting with the family and friends. She is very famous in blogging. Why? Because her blogs always consisted of the important notes related with the ecosystem or ecology. Thirdly, she is very famous in the Quickery forums. Why? Because of her recipes. Everyone means her fans, millions of fans. They are asking about her recipes related with fish curries and flans. Flans means what? Pie or cake. It is consisted of cheese or fruits. Clear? So that is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth stanza we have discussed. After that, what is there? She will keep the world begging for her poetry and prose. She is having another interest, writing poetry and prose. For her masterpiece in Egyptology, for the stories that he knows. Egyptology, the studies of Egyptian, is it? Their language, their history, their culture, related with the Egypt. So, she is writing the prose poetry related on that Egyptians, their culture, their history, their language. So, there also, she is saying that world is begging to her to know about her poetry and prose related with Egyptians, their language, their history, their culture. Okay. And last stanza, what is there? She said darling granny. All are saying that she is very darling. We are so happy you are online. She is online, so all are very happy. You are a granny in a million. I am so glad you are mine. The poet is telling that you are my granny. I am very proud to know about this, because whenever you are online, I come to know that you are very special and important to do all the works modern people used to do. Is it? Everything is modernized. Though granny is granny, but granny is not like that. She is very modernized to use the modern technology. So here the title of the poem is Granny's Little Laptop. That means little in the sense, though it is little to her according to the age and all, but she is very fond of that laptop and know how to use that modern technology, how to connect with the world, how to connect with the family and friends, and how to cheer up the fans by sharing the prose and poetries, sharing the recipes at all. So this all is about the poem. I think it is now very easy to understand about the poem, as I have discussed. And the question answer is very easy. I have written the answers. I have give some points on the answers already. So just follow up on this. And some doubts you have already asked, that also I have clarified in video. Just go through on that. So another thing I want to say, that the doubts, 3 questions about this chapter, always you people must ask. Let me clarify that one first. Why does the poet refer to her grandmother being scared of a mouse? Because according to the granny, the mouse which is using for laptop, it is similar to that real mouse. As granny is very afraid or scared of the mouse, so poet is thinking that for that reason only granny didn't want to use that mouse. That is only the answer. Now segmented the answers by your own words. What do we get to know about granny's interest from the poem? We come to know that her poetry prose always consisted of the Egyptians. Is it? Egyptology means the history, the language, the culture of the Egypts. That is only her main interest to write the poems, and world is begging for that to her. Okay. Another query about that. Do you think the poet hero worships his or her grandmother? Yes, because granny is using the modern technology. Poet is telling that she is actually above the million. She is actually great to use modern technology, and the poet is very happy or very proud to have granny like her. Is it? that only he will write. Give reasons, because reason he will give here that though granny is not modern like us, but then also she is very fond of the modern technology, and she is very famous for her bloggings, for her recipes, for her writings, and Quakery forums, she is having millions of fans because of this all. Is it? So this is only the reason that she is worshipping. The poet is worshipping her. Okay, very happy and getting pride that she is having a poet, a granny like that. Clear? So that is only the poem about. Once again, just go through the poem. Hopefully, you'll not get any doubt. Okay. Thank you, class.